This is meteorologist Matt Walters with the National Weather Service in Topeka, Kansas. Here's a briefing on the winter storm poised to move across southern and eastern Kansas later today and overnight. We continue to monitor the progress of a major storm system as it moves across West Texas this morning. The latest information shows this system tracking slightly more to the south and east. This means the heaviest snowfall is expected to shift a little to the southeast, with east central Kansas and the Interstate 35 corridor most likely to see the higher snow totals. There is also the potential for snow amounts to drop off quickly to the northwest of the storm track, so parts of north central Kansas may only see 1 to 4 inches. A favorable development is that freezing rain looks less likely to occur. The temperature profile is such that precipitation is likely to be either rain or snow. North winds continue to look strong with this storm, leading to the possibility of near whiteout conditions and drifting snowbanks. The heaviest snowfall is expected to occur late this afternoon and overnight. A winter storm warning remains in effect for east central and most of northeast Kansas. This regional view shows blizzard warnings and winter storm warnings stretching from the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles into Illinois. As I said, we are monitoring the system as it moves across West Texas, and we can see precipitation at 6 a.m. this morning has already developed across northern Oklahoma and portions of southern Kansas. Looking ahead through this morning towards noon today, we can see the bulk of the precipitation remaining across north central Oklahoma and beginning to spread a little bit more into south central Kansas. We think that the precipitation will continue to spread north through the day, and by 6 p.m. today we should start to see moderate to heavier precipitation beginning to move into east central Kansas along the Interstate 35 corridor, with maybe some lighter snowfall developing along I-70 and areas north. The evening and overnight hours is when we expect the heaviest snowfall to occur, and we can see from 6 p.m. to midnight areas of moderate snow are still falling across east central Kansas. From midnight to 6 a.m. we start to see the band of heaviest snow again really start to crank up across the Kansas City metro area along Interstate 35 and the Kansas Turnpike in eastern Kansas. So here is the latest thinking regarding snow amounts with this storm. We expect the highest amounts of around 11 inches to be across east central Kansas and have the greatest impact on the cities of Emporia, Ottawa, and Kansas City and neighboring communities. Just to the northwest of that band, 7 to 11 inches could fall on Council Grove, Topeka, and Lawrence. Travel on the Kansas Turnpike and Interstate 35 is likely to be very difficult overnight tonight and through Tuesday morning. In summary, we anticipate periods of heavy snow as precipitation moves north from Oklahoma into eastern Kansas late this afternoon and overnight. Gusty north winds up to 35 miles an hour will lead to blowing and drifting of the snow. This will cause slick roads and severely reduced visibilities, making travel nearly impossible into Tuesday morning. We think the heaviest snow amounts will be in east central Kansas along Interstate 35. This concludes the weather briefing. You can keep up to date with the forecast by following the National Weather Service on Facebook and Twitter, or by going to our website at weather.gov/Topeka.